Are you tired of entering an App Store password every time you download an app? In this video, I will show you how to turn off the Apple ID password when downloading apps. So, let's watch the video until the end. Step 1 is turn off Face ID for iTunes and App Store. If you have enabled Face ID for iTunes and the App Store, I recommend you turn Face ID off for App Store only. If your iPhone's Face ID is disabled, jump to the next solution. To turn off Face ID, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Face ID and Passcode. Then, enter your passcode if prompted. Afterward, turn off the toggle next to iTunes and App Store. You may see the password for your Apple ID, so enter it. Step 2 is turn off Require Password for free downloads. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile name at the top. Then, scroll to the Media and Purchases section. 3 options appear: Sign out, Password Settings, and View Account. Some users noted that they cannot turn off the password when they click on Media and Purchases. In that case, I recommend turning off Face ID for iTunes and the App Store, as explained in Step 1. In my case, 3 options are available, so I am tapping on Password Settings. Under the Free Downloads section, turn off the toggle next to the required password. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Also, select Always Require Password or Require after 15 minutes in the Purchasing section based on your preference. I am selecting Always Required Password because of privacy concerns when purchasing apps. Then, enter your Apple ID password and hit the Done button if prompted. Now, launch the App Store and tap on Get to download the app. We can now download apps without an Apple ID password. If you get a pop-up like Save Password-Free Items, tap on Save to download apps without an Apple ID password. If the required password option is grayed out, you may have enabled screen time restrictions. Follow the on-screen video steps to turn off screen time restrictions. I hope you found this video helpful for turning off the App Store password prompt. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.